A healthy workplace is intentional. It starts with leadership. If respect, communication, and accountability aren't visible at the top, don't expect them anywhere else. Small actions shape culture. Say thank you. Acknowledge good work. Be consistent. These moments build trust and set the tone. Teams don't fail because of lack of talent. They fail because people stop talking. When honest feedback is replaced by forced agreement, problems multiply. Leaders must make it safe to speak up and be ready to listen. And nothing erodes culture faster than ignored toxic behavior. You won't lose everyone, just the ones you wanted to keep. Being friendly isn't weakness. It's the discipline to lead with clarity and respect, even when it's uncomfortable. If your team is disengaged, there's a reason. People don't need more perks. They need a workplace that works.